But Nana, the fight against Galamsey, the dihun commodity ewa hada. Nano are buying a civil society organizations. You think, say, na a needful ana?
Oh yeah, here on the fight against Galamsey ne idea as will be I get on board. But I mean, I kind of several times, and I think I still stick to the same policy. Wouldn't me and stop it Galamsey. They will be to me and say, Obama alternatives.
You can't stop it.
You cannot stop it.
Because Dr. Palgrave Dankwa, we had a one-on-one encounter here. Now, as some of the two men say, Galamsey, you know, it has become an economy on its own. And you know, dealing with such menace, you know, very difficult. Unless you provide
there's no government that will be to me and stop Galamsey.
And yes, you know, because why is here?
The TN say, I have told you this. Obi be anywhere obi to me I call land be so I go to gold ewa bra ahemfo ewo area ho enim hu bi what about see am no ka say to car na for ni chire mu wa aburu side ha ba bi na drive wa udu ba bi na enwira ho ha na wasi na wa penkofo no mado do nwina body am say obi si fiesi ho acha within 2 weeks say amanfo ma me kan get ba bi o si da na yo mo de a o the drive wa na ko forest ba bi office wa ko inside. Now try say why I say we'll see a dying or people will come and tell you that the land belongs to them. Until land the beer no esha for binza. So the first thing is say I him for what area hono. Say almost Galamsey so called air coso baby no omun nimua. It's a lie. They're very much aware. And then a political campaign for what area ho. So see NDC for the was so you have to make sure say MC for ni DC for ni MPs no area hono. Omun him say something of the sort. It's about happening here.
Sure.
The Yempen Crawford Mankasa mining site at a area hono. Say concession I Ghana for Ankasa na area. 25 acres near the man will be 10 will be 20. Ntino yes some say first thing first. Area bia no it didn't kind of him for inside. So we have to sit them down. Say on any bia no area ha and you can say makwan ma obi yes Galamsey no. The chiefs can do this. According to a political campaign for area where MC for ni DC for ni MPs no they should also be aware of it. Then your bank for now mankasa own minds no. Until now no the government has to know say nyina me ya kora be kai say hurricane for ni Koko village it koye sa evangelism na here. They come mining areas there is no way abekwa na nsu na say because that time no monya mining ni wonsu no mutu of them. Ata obeko baby no obi abepia ba no ho nyina ye ntwuma like obi a ho ye call because omututu famu a eye omo ba China for no ene de sa chamfan yi ba ya de ama nsuo nyina ba de aye no nti wo ba na nsuo so na ye de afidie na si nsuo num na efutu nsuo ni frasa ene ese nsuo no so first is the government no enfa ban to us a chamfan ni nyina so chamfan Ghana ha ye fa chamfan ye fa nnuye tomatoes wo ha anameboa ana ye de port another chamfan ye to gold anameboa so government no enfa band into chamfan so
na chamfan the crown Ghana for na cross
the amount for no mo ye nche o mo nyina because chamfan ko ye den you see at times no ho ye mpanyu for the way handle no man no menim say eya na ye too liberal say ye weak see one who say Trump or say Venezuela for the drugs. Every Venezuela ho eden eba US.
Sure.
Now every year manfo a omo no fentanyl ne saa omo drugs na eba omo dam no. In thousands. And until ohun say any boat bia e de drugs every Venezuela air crossing so no oba bomb no. And I me no ka say the fifth one a omo bomb boat e wopo no so. E won so no so. According so manfo say kwa nyamra. And they did na we say nyamra ofa ho. Because he knows say at the end of the day no saa drugs na eba US no kunkum krofo nti o say don't bring it nti your government are aban edu ba bia you should be a little bit radical one year radical now to now say bibia ba ye ne mra nko ase de tie na it doesn't work like that say the make chiro we o hene bia ni wo environment bia Galamsey asa o hene no onim hu bi they are all aware but just all my bonte make chiro because pass see come me kurom dumasua na ko far away ko tutu we say o si feel ho somebody come say this land belongs to me so you telling me say nipa na o Galamsey ho no you don't know anything about no Galamsey na at the end of the day you na your Ghana what they do ni say you ko hu ahene no pe bi de boa no you call envelope kese le dama no before they can be in the forest there There's no way obi akose baby say oh ye gold nwa adwuma e wa abrahimfo krom ho no omo nim anything about it and e bia be heda ahemfie ho no nipa miensa bi na aka bom no magisika no moye. It happens everywhere. So the government no say galamsey no he can't stop it obetimi regulate nti ensuom no moye no they should stop no obetimi aya on shall say from ahemfo no ho. You sit down with the chiefs, you know, the owners, the custodians of the land, you know. You sit down with them. And the political appointees are where we are. The Ghana a lot of MPs, a lot of MCs are among in our mining concession. Baby, they Ghana for any. So the government goes there. Then Obi Biana Wankasa war mining site, you know. The government should make sure say baby one a benzo. Never regulations in Tohon. They see I say gold but about motor gold, you know. I'm to say I check foreigners because say Omakoton gold to Abra Uncle Gold Board.
Sure.
So the government is doing this, which is a very good policy. But make sure say baby a tuna gold in Abanson, oh regulate it. Now guys I will stop here. How do you stop it? Okay, yeah, thinking how any custom akoton adenya bibiedi. Obi wa kura say Osra no pano ko galamsey site. Ebi obeba nwumre no nya ne 100 Ghana.
Sure.
Huh? So 100 Ghana no na ne yere ne made bi ni school fees bibi anti wo say ben konko galamsey. Now, so many BB oil. How do you expect a person to stop? Che drugs crana the whole way. Who say illegal? Obi oil drug to could jail so many years. No, Oko could say Mexico, no Colombia, no more. The government there, they sit down with this drug cartels, no.
They sit down with them.
I'm telling you, at times when they be a group in the best of 4 room, the government can sit down. No, one can allocate areas will be able to operate. Say the among them go street. In politics, you know, we should be diplomatic at times. And you be na obeteka say me the two akogina. Opa, my soldier for enkogina mine inside. Omuntu mi nyina for how many months? Omu 2-3 months time the people will go back to the place.
But also the fight against galamsey, Nana have a special role to play.
Special one.
The special one to play. Nano namine the head of public affairs for the lands and natural resources na Mausi. Mene ni din komo bi wa ha na okansam bi na me pese sansam no me bo na sisia no na utie nsam a eye Mausi e kafa eye ahemfo a ono susu say wo mo say wo mo ye this illegal mining. And you know we the best rew sir yebeko na yakwakutie de Mausi ekanye. And you know na bacho ma membo in ma na tie
who e ohene na say wuti area na say you allow galamsey to fester in your community. How complicit you are complicit and the law must who e ohene na say wuti area na say you allow galamsey to fester in your community. How complicit you are complicit and the law must
sa ohene no e complicit and say o ka ho bi na sa galamsey no e koso a sa ohene no so mo be de emra
nobody is going to twist the law for anybody.
And you ohene kra no e galamsey ne e kire wa
we ohene nobody is going to twist the law for anybody. President Mahama Aka said no political appointee should be engaged in mining.
Yeah.
It is all of that feeds into the political will that we are talking about. How do you call it? Changing regulations, changing rana. It is also so that we want to be able to strengthen the local Ghanaian capacity to be able to address this menace, right? Ghana, we want the Ghanaians to be at the forefront of the mining industry. Large scale mining company, Namaba set it up. Yes, more funny pounds, drivers, security. That's not what we want to see. At the management level, top level, which Ghanaian is leading that? And today, that is why you are seeing that. If you go to a lot of the mining companies, over 90% of top management are Ghanaians.
Sure.
Ghana for air drivers because the expertise is here.
All right, so Nana Mbacho what?
And an American see, there's no way or Henry Becca said any area galamsey unim. There's no way. See, Yakasa Paramount chiefs are on that them, or almost sub chiefs. They be a Paramount sin and Casabia making na yinesu. Until be baby or no nima. At least or hen or house in the name area be.
Sure.
Until no, galamsey area be an or hen or unim. Baby are buying on to mean coordinated normal properly. Yes, I dear. Opa kunwire mbabia se okwa kosi abanso resi wo se obi meka ncho se land ne dey.
But we've heard a year ahemfo no bi so omo aba bonten omo so mo ka say omo wo ho ara obi de krata aba say we aban ama na tumi krata say ometu efom agudie wo ne mpesua so na nipa no so ba so a wo hwe mrante di omochi na sojafo bi mo edi omochi a omo so omo ni hwe a wo mo beka.
See, mami ka bi nchirawo.
Yes.
Bribi atwam no. Na media house say wo Ghana ha nyina na kwa ba bia wonni sika wontimi nko meboa first we be radio station and TV, you have to spend so much money and na obi bia phone kura ni bia na media house nti wo yo hene na wo area wo ye be Galamsey ho na truly wonnim ho bi na wonye interested a enye very difficult say obenya obi ayo interview about say me pamacho me area Galamsey wo ha minim ho hwe see what I'm telling you, people just come and then omo per excuses be me see or he bia ye to Galamsey won area no somehow or the other no onim men can say be onim who be say or gisika o but he's aware say such a thing is happening within the jurisdiction because any possible say Ghana hey obeko obi land so kwakoye afuo ukosi dan wa abra nipa ne mase land nya wo de ya na Galamsey ya anye bakofo na eyo omo don so mo di mfidi nam so you don't tell me say this is done in the night, I mean in the night time until be a to be honest with you,
sure.
But the attorney say, "Oh, say sika, ye sika Tony Paul." Nti bia me on here making because making ahemfie kro oni. Dan ke to ebi ne so omfa na ahemfie do ha na yakokuru be 200,000 Ghana cedis aba. On no hu bi da. Na say na ya ba gold o area and jewe a. Masa obaje ne beba na so na what this can be. Ave kire bi no ntimi nka ho asem because what can be adi. So me say obi bia na ye to Galamsey e woni mfichire no the person no na say me hu video bi a school bi obe say 50 meters away
Ashanti region
and ye to go to ho school ni on a gold ni
Ashanti region. So
you tell me say on hina ho ni nim no people are aware so the government no say my video be about the repercussions of the Galamsey no
okay
in regards to our health I always say obi abehwe say video no. See, a serious
video no way.
I think I have it on my channel, YouTube channel, Transformation Era. What about gold and Galamsey?
Okay. Sure.
A serious oh. In serious hey. A bedroom be even Ghana Yens no cry or higher say a top bottle water nina contaminated. Because the attorney say cyanide on any mercury. Say urasa simo according to science no. Before saying the BB bet me if it last more than 100 years. And it is as I say we sign at the womb and I say mercury womb no dia banche wo mu a banche na what dia was no ebebo with the cyanide or the mercury nti unu abeto banche na obedi banche no sa cyanide mercury na ebeko system no nti se see ekura na ye say ye jai Galamsey from now ye nye Galamsey bi wa ye wa about 100 years more and sana land na be back to normal. I didn't know the situation ye dey people don't know somehow ye kasa say ye kasa with passion because we know everybody is going to suffer from this Galamsey menace. Na dia za sika wom nti we ne dan ya ne ja na very easy nti empanyimfo na form no yensi for mu a ha se see on ze Ghana ha your politics na prof
yeah
akoye sika semu
true
I'm busy here with you so also better political party na wonni sika so be spend there trust me you cannot go to power because Ghana ni nankasa na ono obeto aba ma no or expect say oba the woman sika say wato aba do. Then what here?
Sure.
Ni padanka na anka wouldn't say okay, I have idea, I want to serve this community. The monto amama say an MP. Nanka men kwa aban mu nkoboa na yenye kuro ni ye no. People are expecting say men na me say mba serve obo no. As to give money. Nti ono oba na odi ni nyansa na ho ade ba serve kuro. Obetua sika mama say monto abama me a. It means say okwa wi sika. Okay? And then no say obi hu say asase na da ye kutu ze sie ya ye benya bibi say e gold a e sika solid money now bre na dey pay to bre no e sika nti wan hwe yi a ne jai no ye very difficult because people need money to help their political parties and the money no for asase mo kutu a utu ye na anwumre na asesa ye sika
we shall buy out this sisia na you think sir or the political will to fight it.
To be honest with you, Nancy, na me video be posted here. I know more say since 1992 all the way to some years. Lines is a how do I them man or more ye mining. And then from 2017 by BC 2024 when the mine and this year no what check almost omo will be a license. Okay, that's what I heard.
I cross-checked from their website.
Okay. And then no abano yen is a man nka hwana. Because so far no you man licenses kra bi wa already one more licenses no almost say ade. Nti no bohu say one more bi licenses no more licenses no. Are you sure say licenses no more using it properly? Okay.
That's another question.
That's one thing. And yes, be among go baby a man for a galamsey no mo ji musika de mo ji amon for gold no. So what can I galamsey wo ha ko gold no o mo chem to to declare. No, that's the fact. I mean, Madam will be a me na me can say.
Yeah, I believe you told me that story.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because when you be wura for instance, so be ba say gold no we. Na me galamsey I make say gold ha. I'm this here. Oba ka me be gold be any ha. And then or no Africa no you gold be you know because say when man for gold be because gold be any that I can check no. And these are what is happening around. So the point is say abino. So why you ready say obe fight galamsey, which I think that obetimi aya. On fire him for enka ho. MC for no temper for monka ho. Na for mining concert for monka ho.
Okay.
Now you make sure say am for me chamfan yen chi mu nyina. You who say obi use chamfan, what the quiet you for kodua tomatoes, o for kodua emo. What the quiet galamsey. That person must be arrested. Or more chamfan no must be arrested. Gradual then Ghana for nyina so fire hunjem somehow no you will be able to get to a point boy because galamsey no everybody is affected. Everybody.